GoPro, we got some movement, guys. We got some movement with GoPro. Shooting up about 10% today. Up over 44% in the past week. $200 million market cap, $1.80. On no news, by the way. This thing is just moving. No clear catalyst. They did just release the new Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition, but we won't see that in the earnings for 1 to 2 quarters. But as of right now, rumors of partnerships, short squeeze. No solid news though. No solid news with GoPro. It's just randomly going up. 20% of the insiders own the stock, about 12% short float. Okay, so it is highly shorted. For some reason, a lot of the stocks that are being heavily shorted are all moving at the same time. Something's happening with that basket. When you take a look at the history of the shorts, it is pretty much sitting at the same levels as 2021. Shorts keep shorting. Shorts keep on shorting. Short float sitting at 11.5%. There's currently no insider buying. Insiders are currently selling, but the stock has jumped. Lots of downgrades from the beginning of this year. Lots and lots of downgrades. But the strategy is simple for this one. Are you following the flow? Check out this chart. Net call premium has skyrocketed in the past week. There is a bullish trend for this company just 4 months ago, up 250%. Is GoPro back, guys? Is GoPro back? Just pulling up the fundamentals real quick. They did have the previous 2 quarters this year have seen some good improvements. Nothing crazy though. Top line is still declining. 2 consecutive years, 8 consecutive quarters of top line total revenue, year-over-year declines. And we see a little green on earnings per share, posting -10 on that latest earnings per share, which is up 67% year-over-year. Profit margin sitting at 35%. Free cash flow. Okay, also on free cash flow. So check this out. Earnings per share of the past 2 quarters. Also free cash flow and net income past 2 quarters. We've seen some improvements. They had a really good cash flow from operations, posting 8.8 million versus 0.6. That is up 1,366%. Huge improvements in the cash flow. And when you go down to net income, posting -16.4 million versus -47, up 65%. Look at this major jump in the improvement of net income. They posted -46.7 million, so still losing money, but compared to -339 million, that is up 86% year over year. Post 2021, this stock has done nothing but go down for the past 3 years, but something is happening, something is brewing with GoPro. A couple new things. This is probably one of the biggest catalysts they have. It's one of the newest revenue streams that was just announced this year. GoPro launches opt-in AI training program. So what is this? So subscribers that are going to be on the GoPro platform, when they upload their videos onto the cloud, they could become part of the video content monetization program. GoPro is going to be offering other companies their data and all the videos that's stored in the cloud, and they're going to sell it to AI developers to train their models. Opt-in AI training program. So what's the point of this? So this will enable US subscribers to monetize their GoPro cloud-based video content by making it available to help train AI models. This could be huge. This could actually be huge for GoPro. Not just for GoPro, but also the subscribers who are going to make up to 50% of that license revenue. So people are going to start making money just by taking videos and putting them in the GoPro cloud. Sounds like a good deal to me. So just announced about 2 months ago. GoPro subscribers will earn 50% of the license revenue that GoPro expects to generate on their behalf. Okay, so according to industry analysts, they expect the AI data licensing that GoPro is doing right now to reach 1.3 billion in 2025. Now, this is just a prediction. I mean, it just started a month ago, so no one's going to know how popular this thing's going to be, but analysts are already saying it's going to reach $1.3 billion by the end of 2025. GoPro also expects to resume revenue growth in the 4th quarter of 2025, so they must know something. Do they know something? Okay, GoPro founder and CEO Nick Woodman. The GoPro community is one of the most prolific groups of documentarians in the world, and we're excited to help them monetize the growing demand for authentic, real-world video to train AI models, which will represent a valuable opportunity for AI developers to train their AI models with rich and varied data sets. This looks good. This might actually be a game changer. This might be a game changer for GoPro. Besides that, the newest thing is this Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition. So they're gonna have a new version of the Max 360. Max 2 is coming out by the end of the year. According to the transcript, they do also expect to offset some of the tariff costs by increasing prices, and they are continuing to diversify their supply out of China. And it looks like they're making some moves. Let's take a look at some. Let's take a look at some of the other stuff on the balance sheet. So no, not really. So not much improvements from the income statement or the cash flow. Nothing crazy. Past 2 quarters was good, but I think they have a long way to go. Total cash, they only have $58 million in cash. Let's take a look at annually, actually. $58 million in cash this year. Wow. In 2021, they had over $500 million in cash. They only have 1/10 of that left. They don't have any long-term debt. Zero long-term debt, okay. We might have something here, guys. GoPro might be coming back if they could get this cloud-based video content monetization program in check. They might start making some money out of that. Okay, so balance sheet looks like it's improving. Besides the low amount of cash, they are still receiving some receivables. Inventory is going down, which is a good sign. So in 2024, they paid off their long-term debt. In 2024, they paid off their long-term debt in the stock price. Man, this thing dropped all the way to 50 cents. What a crazy chart. Look at this thing. All-time high of 82, all the way down to $1.80. Take a look at this chart, guys. Chart's looking bullish. Check out this chart also, guys. Does it look familiar? We have the GoPro chart on the bottom and then Open Door Technologies on top. Are all these stocks that these companies were shorting to try and destroy them coming back? I think we're early, guys. I think we're early on a squeeze or something. We're early on some action here. I haven't looked at this stock in like 2 to 3 years. Is GoPro back? Now, they expect by the end of 2025 to have $75 million and no debt by the end of the year. I mean, from the beginning of this year, the price looks like it was priced for bankruptcy. Looks like they will be coming back to growth on that top line by the end of this year. With zero debt, guys, this company is in no danger of bankruptcy. Let's keep an eye on this one. I think we're early. This might be a good one. Is GoPro stock back? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. $200 million valuation. GoPro's on the move, up 40% in the past week. Thanks for watching my videos. Check out my other ones. And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.